Okay. So the shape of the molecules depend upon the number of valence shell electron pair. It means to say, so whatever the concept that fails to explain by Lewis, so he take those concepts as the major criteria or major postulates. From that, he is going to explain the things. So the first and basic thing was he's explaining the shape of the molecule. According to the Lewis, he's not explaining the shape, right? So he's going to take up the shape as his first postulate. So he says that shape of the molecule, andre moleculiನ shape ಅದರ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is to valence shell ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ depend ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So he is going to say that the shape of the orbital, the shape of the molecule is completely depend upon the arrangement of an electron or how many electron that is present in a valence shell. Valence shell ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಧಾರವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ is explained in his first postulate. Okay. Then second, the pair of electrons in the valence shell repel one another since their electron clouds are negatively charged. It means to say the electrons, the paired electrons that present in the valence shell, andre last outermost orbital contain paired electrons. So those paired electrons are going to repel each other. So ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಒಂದು ಥಿಯರಿ ಇದೆ. So the same sides like north pole, the same poles are going to repel. The opposite poles are going to attract. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? So if you apply the same concept here in the valence shell, if supposed to be lone pair, that is a paired electrons are present. Okay, the paired electrons are present. Those paired electrons himself going to get repel each other. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳ ಪೇರ್ಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಎರಡು ಪೇರ್ಗಳು ತನ್ನನ್ನ ತಾನೇ ರಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ರಿಪಲ್ ಆಗಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಶೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. The two postulates what they explain. The first thing, molecule shape valence shell ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೇರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ valence orbital ಅಲ್ಲಿ they are going to repel. ಆ ರಿಪಲ್ಷನ್ create an negative charge. Okay. Then third postulate. These pairs of electrons tends to occupy such position in shape that minimize repulsion and thus maximize distance between them. So ಯಾವಾಗ ರಿಪಲ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಈ ರಿಪಲ್ಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ this repulsion will carry the distance. So ರಿಪಲ್ಷನ್ ಆದಂಗೆನೆ ಎರಡು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಪೇರ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಮೋರ್. ಸೊ when the repulsion starts, ಯಾವಾಗ ರಿಪಲ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅವಾಗ ಅವೆರಡರ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೇಮ್ ಪೋಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಹತ್ರ ತರಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರೋ ಅದಷ್ಟೇ ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ದ pair of electrons ನೀವು ಹತ್ರ ತಂದಷ್ಟು it going to repel. So that repulsion will create a distance. Okay. The valence shell is taken as a ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Are you getting the points? Concept ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? If you're not getting, please stop me over there. I could have explained it in another way. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? So what the next postulate says that Okay, fine. So if the distance are going to be more between the pair of electrons, the valence shell is taken as sphere, which the electron pair localize on the spherical surface at maximum distance from one another. What it means to say? So when those two pair electrons are moving opposite each other, ಯಾವಾಗ ಎರಡು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳು opposite ಆಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ, it form a spherical structure. That spherical structure will maximize the distance. So for example, you just think one thing. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿ. Just you stretch your two arms, okay, and make it a wrist. ಕೈಗಳನ್ನ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಡ್ಚ್ಕೊಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಬೆರಳುಗಳು ಮಡ್ಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ now you are just thinking that you are an orbital and your hands are outermost valency. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಬೆರಳುಗಳು outermost orbital ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. This is called as electron. Your wrist is called as electron. So in an outermost orbital ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇದೆ, how many number of electrons present in the outermost orbital, that will says the shape. That's the first postulate. Second postulate ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, the distance between them, or if the pair electron will more, it creates the repulsion. That repulsion causes negative charge. So ಈಗ ಕೈಗಳ ಎರಡನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it will repel each other, it will go back. So that creates a negative charge. That is second postulate. Third postulate ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, you need to minimize the distance. ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ಆ ರಿಪಲ್ಷನ್ ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will move out. You need to stretch your arms. So that will give you the distance between the atoms are more. So if that distance is more, it will create a spherical structure. So ಈಗ ಎರಡು ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೈಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯ ನೀವು ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you get spherical structure. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರಿಂಗ್ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So that is called spherical structure. When the distance between the electrons are moving outside, it creates a spherical structure. So that spherical structure will increase or will maximize the distance. So spherical structure neat form ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the electron should move outside. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? So then the valence, multiple bond is treated as if it is a single electron pair and 2 or 3 electron pair of a multiple bond are treated as single super pair. So if supposed to be presence of double bond, multiple bond ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ double bond ಮತ್ತು triple bond formation ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ that is called as single super pair. If double bond and triple bond is present in a single paired electron, so double bond and triple bond will form from that atom. So we call that pair of electron as an single pair electron. Okay, where two or more resonance structure can represent a molecule that is for your application is such a molecule. So ಈಗ postulates ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Now I'll explain in whiteboard.
ಈಗ ಬಂತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಮಾತಾಡತಾಳ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
Now ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ I'll just write it, and if you didn't understand, please tell me. I'll repeat again. So what they were saying, this is your atom, so call it as A. Okay, so you have orbitals. So I'm explaining the postulates, please observe. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂಚೂರು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. Okay, so this is your atom. So this is called atom. So this atom containing so many orbitals. So first postulate says that how many electrons that is present. So E represent the electron, alva? So how many electrons that is present in the outermost orbital? Outermost orbital is called as valence orbital, alva? outermost orbital ನಾವು valence orbital ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, this electron is going to call it as, or it will give the structure or shape of the molecule. Okay, so what they were saying, how many electrons that is present in the outermost orbital, that will give you the shape of the orbital. This is the first postulate. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇವಾಗ? So second thing, second postulate ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, if pair of electron is present, pair of electron ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು subshell ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು electron ಇದೆ. For example, this is one subshell. So you have two electron. If you represent like this, this is paired electron, alla? So if you are seeing a pair of electron is present in an outermost valence orbital, outermost valence orbital alli pair of electron idre, that will repel. If two electron is there, that will repel. So repel adaga it creates a negative charge. Okay, ಹಾಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಮನೇಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಜಗಳ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Two individuals are there, then the quarrel starts. Same like that, if pair of electron is present in one subshell, ಒಂದೇ subshell ಅಲ್ಲಿ pair of electron ಇದ್ದರೆ, it creates a repulsion that causes a negative charge. Second postulate. If the repulsion increases, repulsion ಆದರೆ if the electron attaining and repulsion. Okay,
ಏನ 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನೇ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ನೋಟೇ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ತಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಕೊಡು. ಫೈನ್, ಸಾರಿ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. These are the outermost orbital containing electron. So how many electron that outermost orbital contain, it will give the shape of the molecule. So that shape of the molecule is the first postulate. Okay, so same second postulate says that if lone pair of electron is present, what do you mean by lone pair of electron? Two electron is present in the outermost orbital. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, outermost orbital ಅಲ್ಲಿ if you can able to see the presence of unpaired electron, if you can see the presence of unpaired electron in the outermost orbital, that will give you the repulsion. So ಆ electron repulsion ನ create ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So the repulsion will create a negative charge. So the repulsion will create negative charge. Okay, got it? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ? Can you able to understand? Super. So now that is second postulate, negative create ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Now third postulate, what it will say, if the electrons are going to repel, ಈ ಎರಡು electronಗಳು repel ಆದ್ರೆ it will create the distance. So if suppose I'll write it here, if this electron having this distance, if it is repel, this electron will jump here and it will come in and take this position. So it will create the distance between the electron is more. This is third postulate. Okay, it will create the distance between the electron or more. So when the distance r tends to be more, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ distance ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ you can see the spherical structure. If the distance between the electrons are more, it creates an spherical structure. This is your next postulate. Okay. So if it is create an spherical structure, okay, spherical structure create adre, if those electron will form 2 or 3 electron, ಈ 2-3 electron ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, if it is forms a double or triple bond, if this electron, this pair of electron and repelled electron, ಯಾವ್ದು ರಿಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈ electron, if it is involved in the formation of double or triple bond, ಡಬಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ತ್ರಿಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆದ್ರೆ that is call it as single super pair. Single super pair. Okay, if those electrons are involving in the formation of double and triple bond, that is called single super pair. So now this and all terms is explained by your whisper theory, that is valence shell, electron pair repulsion theory. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ? So this is the concept of your whisper postulates. ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?